everyone, this is the Lamb XD yarn ball winder, and I just got this to help me out with my rug tufting. Everything was coming in these sort of large balls, and if you've been tufting for a while, you know that it's best if it's on a cone. So I decided to get this piece, and I'm actually making my own cone to make it more sturdy than just wrapping around this piece. So I'm using a toilet paper roll. This is one I just finished rolling, and it's super easy. It comes, you just set this piece into the top and secure it by turning it clockwise. And I've clamped this down using this, there is a little knob here that you turn to tighten it on your desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this so that I can fit it on here. And I am seeing right now that it's a little too big, so I'm going to just cut around here so that it's not sticking up too far. That might not matter, but I want it to be a similar size. And you can kind of just stick it on. Take your yarn that you're going to wind, and you can put it through this piece here. And I'm going to secure it in here for my winding. And all you really have to do is start turning the knob here. I'm sure there's a better way to keep this stationary. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments so we can all learn. But I'm just sort of helping this along as it's tumbling while the yarn is turning. So you just do this for a while, and you can stop whenever you feel like you have enough on here to put on the dowel rods on your tufting frame, or whatever you might want to use this for. But when you're done, you just snip the yarn and it'll look something like this. I hope that helped you. I'm still learning, so any tips you have, please let me know in the comments, and check down below. I'll leave the link for where I got this yarn winder on Amazon. Thanks, guys.